Hi everybody, welcome to Tuscany. Another adventure here with Italian roots, Canadian hearts, and Aurora Importing. I gotta say one thing about Tuscany. It's the place in Italy I've been to the most, and the food, of course, is outstanding. And this recipe is right up at the top. What a classic. Pappa al Pomodoro. So we got a pot, I'll heat it up here, and now what you wanna do is we're gonna add in our cut vegetables. I got a little trick for you, okay? It's not in the recipe, and I wrote the recipe. Basil, right into the pot. I gotta tell you, why Italian and Tuscan food is so great, it is so simple. It makes my job so easy, and much more important, it'll taste so great when you make it at home. Great ingredients is amazing food. Simplicity is where it's at, folks. And Pappa al Pomodoro is at the top of simplicity. So, if we were in Tuscany right now, we would use tomatoes right out of the garden. It'd be absolutely fantastic. But we're here in Canada, but that's okay. Aurora Importing brings in DOP tomatoes from San Marzano, right on the foot of Vesuvius. They are absolutely incredible and will make this Pappa al Pomodoro unbelievable. So after you add the tomatoes, you'll want the heat to come back up because they're out of the can. It'll cool off your vegetable that's in there already. Bring them up to temperature. You see it boiling already. Then what you want to do, there's two options. You can use your ladle and just sort of squish the tomatoes up, or after it's boiled for a little while and all come together, you could use a hand immersion blender. Simple stuff. Now, the most important ingredient in this soup beside the tomatoes is of course the bread. We're talking about Tuscany, and of course the Tuscan bread is very famous for not having salt. It's very coarse, it's very heavy. But here in Canada, you don't have too much of that. If you bake it, terrific. But I like using really good quality day-old bread. Whatever it is, it's gotta be crunchy and day-old. I had some Tuscan style focaccia laying around, so that's what we're gonna use today. Okay, lower the heat, put a lid on things, and let it simmer. You got a little bit of time until your desired taste comes together. Woo, I'm back. Oh, and now for the final steps. So now we're gonna add our bread right in on top. As you know, I used this day-old focaccia. It goes right into the soup, right on top. Look how rustic this is. Put the basil right on top. And top it off with a little olive oil. Done. Pappa al Pomodoro, a true Tuscan classic.